An extraordinary cafeteria that has a unique face. Sell unimported and local foods that desire to your taste. This is the first page. And the second page, come and join us to my Brew to Go Cafe that is located at Poblacion, Macabebe, Pampanga. You can contact us at 0955-218-3688 and we're open at 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you.